Namaste everyone. Welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and today we will practice Anulom Vilom or alternative breathing pranayama on the chair. Let's start. So sit on the chair with your back, neck and spine straight. Take a moment to become aware of your breath, to notice how your breath happens, how fast or slow it is. Then take a long deep breath into your abdomen. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Now make your right hand into Vishnu Mudra, where your index and middle finger touches the palm. Get ready. Another deep breath in. And complete breathe out. Close your right nostril. Inhale left. Close. And exhale on right. Inhale on right. Close. Exhale on left. When you are inhaling, make sure you inhale about 4 seconds. And when you exhale, you are exhaling in about 6 to 8 seconds. Inhale left. Close. Exhale on right. Inhale on right. Close. Exhale on left. Inhale on left. Close. Exhale on right. Inhale on right. Close. Exhale on left. Inhale on left. Close. Exhale on right. Inhale on right. Close. Exhale on left. And release. Bring your hands wherever they feel most convenient and relax. So when you inhale from left, exhale on right, inhale on right, exhale on left, that becomes one round. And like that, you can do up to 5 to 10 rounds. Depends on how much you want to practice, how much time you have, and make sure you have practiced abdominal breathing and full yogic breathing for at least 1 month before you're practicing Anulom Vilom, just to stay on the safe side. This pranayama is also very effective for releasing stress and anxiety, helpful for cleaning lungs if you have been a smoker, so that is perfect pranayama. So practice it and let me know how it goes. If you have any question, go ahead, comment below and ask me, and stay connected. Thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit, and I look forward to see you in my upcoming videos. Namaskar.